Man, where the hell's this guy at?
Hey man, over here. Hey man, got a good stuff for you. You got the money?
Here's your money, man.
Ah, give me that money. Yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. Okay. Yeah. Here you go, man. Oh, I like that. Here you go, man.
Fuck it smell like that, folk?
All right, man. Got a blast. Oh, yeah.
Mr. Chicken, is this why you cross the street to dabble in debauchery?
Man, what you said, you need to get the fuck out of my business, nigga. Hey, man. That's what you need to do. Cause I'm getting tired you keep telling what the fuck I'm doing every time I'm doing something.